had signs over there posted, you got to stay out because it's being condemned by the state or the town.
It's amazing that it still is like so bad.
6 months later. Maybe you could tell it's from different constructions. Maybe the older
stuff.
Not quite up to par of the way it is today.
Bonita Beach.
Looks like it's crowded right here. Something's going on.
Restaurant, maybe?
What is going on here?
I don't know.
Car sale?
Coconut Jack's Waterfront Grill.
Wow. Look how jammed it is.
Okay.
That place was made out of straw.
We go straight, correct?
Yeah.
I know.
Made out of straw and it's still there.
It's a lot of it. It's aiming at me.
What do you want me to do?
Camera's aiming this way.
Okay. Whoops. Cops are checking to make sure nobody comes in.
New traffic pattern.
This is the beach that's closed, although it seems to have a lot of cars.
It's telling us to slow down. How slow do we have to go?
Looks like quite a bit of construction there too. Even Doc's Beach House has straw.
Yeah.
But I don't know how open it is.
The trees
looks like it's being constructed, reconstructed.
Well, the palm trees are like brown. Look at all that. Everything
you think
is
when
sand.
the salt water comes in, maybe it damages stuff too?
I would think so. Look at all the sand. Everybody's yard is just sand.
Maybe the water was all the way up here. Because you notice a lot of these houses, not this, but
they're
are on
sort of
stilts.
up. Yeah. But that could, some of those new constructions could still be up.
Even this side of the road there that you can't see in the camera is also damaged. Maybe you can see it on the way back.
Yeah, we'll see it on the way back.
Look at that house like there.
Wow.
I don't even know how it's still standing.
I don't know. I'm sure that's a knockdown.
Looks it. I mean, probably a lot of this too. I mean, it looks like a knockdown, but I'm saying is maybe with the water damage they had to knock out a bunch more stuff even after the damage of the of the storm. You know, maybe they have to take out the sheetrock.
Oh yeah,
even if
it
was
gets
still
all
there.
full of, it gets all full of mold.
Never. It looks like some of these are the pricier houses.
Yeah.
Maybe survived a little better. Not that one. Whoa, completely down.
Yeah. Wow.
I don't remember how much the winds were.
It's pretty windy down here.
Yeah, but I don't think it was like 150 miles.
No, I don't think it was. I don't even think it was over 100.
But I'm sure the water came in.
Yeah,
good.
you could say the water definitely came in because you could see.
This guy doesn't want you parking in his place.
Yeah.
It says keep out. And I don't know if that's new construction or reconstruction.
No.
These are pretty extensive houses that survived apparently pretty good. Although there's a lot of junk here.
Well, that's all the junk they had to gut the houses, probably.
I'm sure the insurance companies are thrilled.
Sure they are. Then all of a sudden you get everybody with nice new lawns.
Yeah, because these houses are better and everything, and they still want to be nice. Look, they're trying to rent them.
Oh.
And they're building one. I mean, the water when you look through looks nice.
Yeah.
Do not pass. wonder if somebody would do that on here.
Let's see how you could. They might honk
Oh,
at
they
you
did
or
it to
something.
you.
No, but they passed me when I was turning.
No, another one passed you when you were going.
Oh. Oh well, they don't follow the rules.
Not that we're going there, but you can figure Fort Myers must really be
Bad.
pretty devastated.
Because that was like the eye of the hurricane went through there, didn't it?
From what I recall, there's the Egrat condos, but you could see there's nobody in them.
No.
The Elias group. But it looks like these people ain't giving up.
No.
That house has a plastic roof.
Yeah. Guess it's gonna get its new roof somewhere along the line.
We're going over a bridge.
Fort Myers Beach.
It's the Big Hickory Pass, from what I recall from my history class.
Okay.
Look at all well,
Like
can't see.
kayaks, yeah.
Condos. Oh. Okay, on this side they don't seem to be have anything for whatever reason. Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe you should flip around.
Yeah, flip around.
I meant look for this.
Yeah. Flip around, you can see the other side of the street.
How the other half lives. I'm giving you no help.
Oh, I'll just wait. I'll wait.
Didn't do any of these trees.
And you can see sort of like they're knocked down.
Around. Isn't it amazing the way the line just cuts off there?
Yeah.
At the other side of the river? They don't
Well,
seem
cars.
to build this up.
No, but you're in between both sets of water. Like you can't build anything here. Okay, it looks like we're gonna be going. Hang on, kids.
Careful, little girl. I was talking to the dog, not you.
Yep.
So they park here to go down into the...
Yeah.
Still set up.
Mm-hmm.
These don't look even that bad.
No, that one's.
Oh no, they all got getting roofs.
Yep.
Every one of them. Wow, look at all the garbage on the side of this road.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Look at the way that building got just nailed.
Wow.
Even the vegetation looks like it all just took a beating. These guys lost their houses and they were now they're putting trailers there.
Yep.
What are you gonna do?
Just take some pictures of anything.
I got one of you. Filming all that there.
Yes, I'm filming.
It's all nice. Look, he's got the chessboard on him.
Yeah.
Even see, look at the way that the shrubbery
Yeah.
just couldn't take whatever
Well,
happened.
probably the salt water came up and killed it. grass in the middle, nice garden.
Looks like on this side of the road they went and cleaned up everything.
Yep.
I'm assuming that was a building.
Yeah, either that or new construction.
Some of these pictures aren't going to come out too hot
Okay, don't worry.
because it's all stuff's in the
No.
way.
Mhm.
Oh, okay, I got it.
Yeah, here's all the junk. Looks like they're just plowing the junk from outside. The houses.
I heard somewhere they got volunteers that come down and do that.
Yep.
It's everybody's personal belongings and everything else, whether
Yeah.
it's their mailboxes or their
Whatever.
fences or their mattresses or...
Everything blew out of their houses, I'm sure.
I wonder if these people were smart enough to not be here.
You would hope so.
You just have to go through these.
Mm-hmm.
But the people seem to want to rebuild a lot of it.
Yeah.
And give them a lot of